Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a column chart on your WPS presentation on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a column chart here on the WPS presentation mobile, I'm just going to show. So it's easy and simple. For an example, just took a blank token here, otherwise here. So I'm just going to choose this. Click on this icon option, and now you just scroll down and you will see an option called chart. Click on this chart option. So here the first option called column chart. So you can just scroll sideways. Just want to scroll or just move sideways. You can see a different type of designs. Just click on the design that you just needed and click OK option, which automatically insert the chart here. So you can just double tap here to enter the data, or you can just easily edit the data by double tapping on the text. And you can see option to edit data on the bottom section. Here you can just find and edit the data and click OK option. Then you can also switch the row if you just need a row and column, and click on this icon option. Here you can just change the colors of the things like a theme set for your bar chart. This is how you just insert the column chart on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.